Welcome to Flavors of Genova, where we discover the culinary tradition of the city, one bite at a time. Genova was an important port city since Middle Ages, and here the city developed a strong street food culture. Among the most important dishes, the most traditional dishes, we have farinata. So let's go and see how it is prepared and imagine how it tastes. When you walk through the narrow caruggi of the old town and you smell wood fire, probably you are close to a place where farinata is cooked, and actually you are close to a sciamadde. Today, only a few of these old wood-fired bakeries are still open. They make farinata the traditional way, just like people did centuries ago. Farinata, indeed, is one of Genova's oldest dishes. The recipe is incredibly simple. Chickpea flour, water, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. That's it. And then a strong open flame. But even simple ingredients need skill. Let's hear from the baker how it's really made.
La farinata va fatta con 1/4 di farina di ceci, 3/4 d'acqua, sale e olio. Basta, nient'altro. Questo tegame, che è quello genovese, si chiama testo, che è di rame stagnato. Ci si mette l'olio e poi il composto di prima, che però deve posare almeno 6-12 ore. Il fuoco proprio deve avvolgere il composto nella teglia.
Quindi cuoce dall'alto.
Dall'alto.
This is crunchy outside, and as Ramona said, it's very soft, custard-like inside. It melts in your mouth. If this kind of ancient, honest, humble food sparks your curiosity, you can come and taste it with me here in Genova, or you can find it yourself, maybe downloading my Genoa food guide. Happy Farinata!
A small kitchen in Genoa, recipes and food stories in the Italian Riviera.